How to convert Wix Studio website to template and import and export as zip files. So in order to do this, head over to the actual URL of Wix Studio for the custom templates. You can find it by going to manage.wix.com/studio/my-templates. Now from in there, you can click onto this create template option and you can start from an existing site that you already have. So let's import from an existing site that I have, which is the Sierra store. Click on continue, and then you can just name this template. So for example, let's name this Pink Tiara. Click onto this create template option, and then after that, as you can see, it will be created. So since we already have it right here, in order to export it, just click onto these three dots, and then in here you can see in here this download shareable file. Click on that and then publish the template first before downloading. That's actually a crucial idea. So let's try to publish it. In here on our editor, click onto this publish option and then it will publish for a few seconds. And once it's done publishing, we can head back to our actual custom template site. So as you can see, it's been published. Head back right here to our custom templates. Then click onto these three dots and click onto this download shareable file again. Now you should be able to see in here this. Click onto this download file option and then as you can see it will download itself as a template file, and if you ever want to import that you can head over and then just import it onto your actual template site. So that's how you convert Wix Studio website to template. Hope we helped.